Yeah, that was cold and not coffee. I just want to be friends, okay? Okay, I'm gonna make coffee. I'm visiting a friend. I'm dog sitting for her, and I don't really drink coffee. We have the machine. It has a milk frother. I saw this one, and I worked in restaurants, so I know that they do like this. How? Where? Yeah, I guess. Then I'll put mom in there. Then I will do this. How do you know how much milk you need to put? Do you like throw the remaining milk? Okay, so coffee will be like this bit, I guess. So I need milk like that. Ooh, that's too much, I think. I put it here for throttling later. Why am I recording this in English though? I have a Russian channel. Well, nobody watches my TikToks anyway, so. And they have this blossom honey, which I'm going to use, obviously. Thank you to the bees. Thank you to nature. I'm grateful for you. Oh, yeah, there's water. Okay. I feel like a child right now. I put it here. And there's this thing, so I think I do like that. Do I like press it hard? I have no idea. When I worked in a restaurant, I was a waiter, so I would just serve coffee. And I just like saw how they do it, but I never really cared. Okay, that happened. God. Okay. Boom. How much? I don't know. More honey. Cinnamon. Nutmeg? Nutmeg is not cinnamon, right? Right. I don't think they have cinnamon though. Oh no. I put the mug. It's plugged in. And now I do something. Oh, wait, it's on. Okay, making coffee. Please make coffee. Anyway. Oh, okay. I need more than that. Please. Oh, do I need to hold this? That's weird. It looks white though. Why is it not doing the coffee? I'm confused. Doesn't even smell like coffee. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I should have probably. Oh my god, I should. Should I throw this now? Yeah, that was cold and not coffee. Weird. What do? Okay, there is still some honey left. I'm sorry, my love, that I had to throw you. Yeah, I should add honey later. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay, this is on. What's going on here? You're not making coffee. I just want to be friends, okay? Oh wow. I need to throw this, I think. Yeah, fuck. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I need to read manual. Which model is that? The longy. Green? Are you green? I'll just guess. Alright, should we give it a shot? I got it, I think. First of all, we need more water. That will do it. Then I close. Then I put this thing here because it is gonna be cleaned, right? And I put this here to preheat my glass straight. And okay, I need to wait for it to be ready, I guess. Is it like heating or something? No, not yet. Heat? Ooh, okay. Woo! It's doing something. Oh, it's boiling. I hope this thing will not just now and I will have a burn. Don't do that. Oh, wow, okay. It's peeping into the glass. Okay, I like that. That's good. Party. Good girl. Yes! Oh my god. This thing, it should be green, okay? And I didn't wait for it. Basically. I don't remember the word. Now I know what to do. It's ready, so I think we can do it. Ew. Okay. Sorry, my friends. I'm finishing your coffee. They're not watching me on TikTok anyway. They don't know it exists. Thank God. Okay, I finish your coffee. Well, you offered it to me, so I finished it. I'm sorry. No, sorry. I do like that. This hot tea I'm putting. And I do like that. Oh no, it's not doing what it do. I started squirting water. I need coffee. I'm so confused. She just turned it to the cup and it was doing the coffee. We try again. Boil water, please. It's boiling water. I hope. Oh my god, who knew coffee is so hard? That's why I drink water, friends. Like, this is too much. Okay, it's okay again. So now with the coffee. So this thing is here, not on the... Okay, now it should be doing coffee. Yeah! It's doing coffee. I'm sorry. Oh, good girl. Oh my god, that's too much coffee. Stop. That's too much coffee. Is it too much coffee? I mean, I think there should be more milk. I'm so confused. And the small spoons are out of stock. It looks beautiful, but I have to do that. I'm sorry, friends. Whoever sensitive, don't look. Yeah, I just put some. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Look at the foam. I mean, I'm no expert, but this looks nice. The girl said that she's ready for the poof. So I will do poof now. I think I'll just take the foam, coffee foam, and put it here, where the honey was. And I was calling my husband because I was so excited that I'm gonna do this, and I called him. Okay, my husband called. I declined. This is my life now. Now we do milk thing. It's not doing anything again. Okay, it's doing something. Do poof. Girl, what are you doing? The sounds that it makes. Nothing's going on here, by the way. It says okay, and it is on the poof poof. So maybe if I put this here, it will make... Ah! It's squirting! God, I use all the cups that I have. Ooh, okay, okay. There we go. Woo! Fucking hell, that was scary. Oh yeah, it's doing. The sound. Why are you still doing it? Stop. Okay. That was so stressful. Okay. And now we do the cute form thing. Wow, that's shit. Yeah, it's hot. Fucking hell. Fuck me. Whatever. This is what we're working with. Yeah, this is a mess, but I made it. I give it 4 out of 10, maybe 5, considering it's my first time using the machine. Yeah, I would say like train station coffee. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I'm easy to impress. Yeah. I need somebody to clean this. I'm not cleaning that.